Top 5 stocks to watch in Q4 2025. Market Breakdown. Welcome back to the Market Breakdown, where we decode the financial noise and deliver clear, actionable insights. Today, we're diving into the top 5 stocks to watch in Q4 of 2025. Companies positioned to ride the wave of market momentum or potentially outperform in a volatile economy. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, build a smart portfolio, or just want a fresh perspective, this list is for you. Stock number 1, NVIDIA. First up, NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. After a blockbuster run in 2023 and early 2024, NVIDIA is entering a new phase. The AI boom may have matured, but demand for high-performance computing, data centers, and edge AI keeps growing. With its continued innovation in GPU tech and expansion into software, NVDA is more than just a chip maker. It's an AI infrastructure play. Watch for earnings surprises and new product announcements. Stock number 2, Amazon, AMZN. Next, Amazon, ticker AMZN. The retail giant is turning heads again with its aggressive cloud, AI strategy through AWS and a push into healthcare logistics. Amazon's no longer just an e-commerce play. It's transforming into an infrastructure powerhouse. Keep an eye on holiday sales data and AWS performance in earnings reports. Stock number 3, Tesla, TSLA. Coming in at number 3, Tesla, ticker TSLA. With Cybertruck deliveries ramping up and more global EV competition, Q4 could be pivotal. Elon Musk's recent comments on AI and robotics are signaling where the future might be headed. Watch for updates on FSD, factory efficiency, and EV tax credits in the U.S. Stock number 4, Eli Lilly, LLY. At number 4, Eli Lilly, ticker LLY. This pharma heavyweight is surging due to its groundbreaking obesity and diabetes drugs, with demand outpacing supply. With growing institutional interest and a relatively defensive profile, LLY could offer both growth and stability, a rare combo in this market. Stock number 5, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. And rounding out our list, Palantir, ticker PLTR. Love it or hate it, Palantir is becoming increasingly relevant in defense, healthcare, and AI-driven data analytics. Palantir's narrative is shifting from speculative to strategic. Keep an eye on new contract announcements, especially in defense and AI sectors. These 5 companies offer unique exposure to some of the biggest themes in the market right now, from AI to healthcare innovation, cloud, EVs, and defense. Which of these stocks are on your watch list for the fourth quarter? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update from the Market Breakdown.